Picture this, a sidewalk that seems to yawn at you. This whimsical engineering fail, found in the heart of a busy urban area, features sections of the pavement that dip and rise like an accordion. People often struggle to walk straight, leading to hilarious moments of stumbling and confusion. Local kids have turned it into a mini obstacle course, while adults joke about needing a guidebook. Engineers claim it was a mere oversight in the planning phase. So, the big question for you, how would you fix this quirky sidewalk?